Good evening, everyone. Tonight I thought I would share with you the stage I'm at in learning Bridge Over Troubled Water. It's a very difficult score in that it's a combination of so many different lengths of notes, and you have to microcount to make it sound like the piece that it's meant to be. So it's not easy, but I put it as a premise to go eighths, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and for every bar. And then every eighth has 2/16 or 4/32. So we give it a try, and I'll stop here and there and just show you what's happening. And it says moderato, not too fast, like a spiritual. So we give it a try. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So that's 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 Here it's a 3 in the time of a quarter, and it's back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 over to the second ending, so it's down here. 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 be 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and So what I would advise in playing, in practicing it, this is what I'm going to be doing to learn it, is to keep it really slow and heavy. If you imagined a bomb dropping out of an airplane, that's free fall drop straight down, and you have to have a relaxed wrist and flop right through. But when the explosion happens, it's like as though your hand is the mat that keeps the debris from flying everywhere. It keeps it down. It anchors the weight in the keys by the strength of the finger playing down from the main arch, but not with a stiff wrist. So you're not pushing down in any way. You're just kind of smothering the weight into the key with the strength of your finger down and linking it to the next note, so that when you want those big chords, like at the end there, I mean, it gets up to a triple forte. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now it's rallentando, so you got to slow down. And you'd even wait longer. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With a pause, so that's at least half of another bar added on before you lift off. So anyway, I hope that gives you some ideas and an incentive to want to start to learn it. It's important to play just the melody by itself, because it's got all these strange lengths of notes, and you don't want to lose track of the overall rhythmic way it's written. So if you think of when the melody starts, when you're weary, so it's 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. So if you just count quarters, it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's tricky too, because there's a half rest and then a quarter rest, and then you start your 2/8 for the last quarter. So it's 1, so I'll go back. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4. Once more. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. But then it's tied. 4, 1, 2. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the melodies up in there, and because it does kind of like a roll up to that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and that's where it changes to triplets. So it's, I'll go back. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 1, go back again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And that's because that's 3 quarters in the time of 2 quarters. That's why it's a little faster than just it's da da da. Once more. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And it just goes back and repeats back there, so we won't go through all that again. This takes the second ending, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's all these rests while the accompaniment plays. And then comes Sail on Silver Girl. 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That can't be right. 1, 2, 1, and so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's troubled water. 1, 2. I will ease your mind. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then. So it's very complicated. So hopefully next time I try it, I'll be able to play it steady, counting in quarters, and the short notes will all just fit in the right place. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Have a good night.